I am super blessed because you're in my kitchen. I'm going to be making something great today. I'm going to make a bulgogi cheesesteak. I went to a food cart and had a bulgogi cheesesteak. It was like the greatest thing I ever had. So I thought, I need to make this at home. Let's do it. I need a couple tablespoons of butter. And now it's time to saute a chopped onion. Grab a bowl. Let's make a bulgogi sauce. Tablespoon of garlic. Half a cup of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Tablespoon of gochujang sauce. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And a shake of black pepper. Give it a good mix. To those onions, I'll be adding a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and tossing it to coat. I got some shaved beef that I'll be cooking in with those onions. Get it nice and brown. Time to add that bulgogi sauce. Now I'm going to toast some hoagie rolls with some provolone cheese on top. Order up! Bulgogi cheesesteak. I couldn't be more excited. Here we go. That is some flavorful meat. I love it. I'll give it a 9.1 out of 10. That's a good cheesesteak. I'm kind of nervous about signing up for my company's 401k. I've never run that far before.